Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning aesthetic studio portrait using Google Gemini Nano Banana tool. This is one of Google's newest features that lets you edit or even completely transform photo instantly just by using text prompts. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini in your browser or app like this, and then just log in with your Google account, and then just tap on create image, or you can also activate the Nano Banana tool by tap on tools icon, this one, and then create images like this, and then just upload and choose the photo that you want to edit. Can be a simple selfie or any picture that you want to turn into a studio style portrait, and make sure the photo is clear and well lit for the best results. And then just tap on plus button and gallery, and then just choose your photo. And now comes the fun part. Let's writing the prompt. Before, I already prepare one prompt like this, and then you can copy this prompt exactly or adjust it to match your own styles. For just I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it and then just hit generate. And okay, like this, just look at this. The photo is completely transformed into a polished aesthetic studio portrait like this, and the lighting looks professional, and the details are sharp, and the overall vibe feels like it came straight like out of magazine. And okay, that's it. Super simple with Gemini Nano Banana. Anyone can make high quality aesthetic portraits without expensive cameras or studio setups. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.